Get to another stock within the broader markets. KRBL is the one that we're talking about. Mr. Gupta, the MD of the company, joins in. Hi, Mr. Gupta. Thanks very much for taking the time out. We understand that minimum export price of non-basmati rice is reduced to $600 per ton from $850 per ton. Just explain to us what this actually means, possibly for the industry as well as for KRBL.
You see, non-basmati, still the policies are not clear. This $600, what they have done MEP, it is basically they want not PDS rice should go in export and good quality rice should go in export. And the policies are still not clear. I'm not able to comment on the policies because clarity still has to come from the government.
But Mr. Gupta, if there is any decline in the minimum export price for non-basmati, what is the financial impact that it could have on KRBL? And also the other thing is on the export of non-basmati. Has there been any kind of regulatory clarity on how much can be allowed?
You see, till now they have opened a quota of 1 million ton, wherein we have applied a lot of quotas, but we are not able to get even a single quota.
Okay.
It's really first come first served basis. In 2 seconds that 1 million ton quota got finished. It's really surprising. I don't know.
But you all are facing, the industry per se is facing some sort of storage crisis. So is there a possibility of increasing the quota of exports?
Yeah, we are having rumors that they may open the wheat and rice exports. There are rumors. I don't know what is the fact going on with the government.
Okay, Mr. Gupta, have you, when could we possibly hear from the government in terms of the policy front, considering that they've gone ahead and reduced the minimum export price? Are you more optimistic now to hear about wheat and rice exports?
No, minimum export price for non-basmati when they announced the quota was just $400.
Okay.
I don't know what has happened latest.
Okay, alright Mr. Gupta, thank you very much for taking the time out. That's KRBL up around 2% on the back of that news which is doing the rounds with regards to the rice stock.